Earning $1,000 a day with affiliate marketing might seem like a dream, but with the right strategies, it's achievable in 2025. In this engaging Q&A session, we break down proven methods and tools that affiliate marketers are using for daily four-figure incomes. 1. Choosing high-impact niches. Discover lucrative niches and high-demand products for 2025. 2. Mastering high-ticket offers. Promote high-ticket affiliate products for massive earnings with fewer sales. 3. Traffic strategies that work. Explore the best free and paid traffic sources. 4. The content formula for conversions. Create content that grabs attention and converts audiences. 5. Email marketing automation. Build an email list and create automated campaigns for consistent sales. 6. Scaling your earnings. Use strategies like retargeting and upselling to scale your income. 7. Tools and resources for success. Essential tools for tracking and optimizing your efforts. 8. Mindset and consistency. Stay focused, adapt, and maintain consistency for long-term success. This Q&A isn't just about theory, it's filled with step-by-step strategies to achieve $1,000 daily. Are you ready to unlock financial freedom? Let's dive in.